Ahoy, mateys! Welcome to the world of Halloween pirate decorations. If you're looking to bring a swashbuckling adventure to your Halloween decor this year, you've come to the right place. Pirates offer a fantastic blend of mystery, adventure, and a little bit of spooky, making it a perfect theme for Halloween. In this video, we'll explore a treasure trove of ideas to turn your home into a pirate's den. Whether you want to create a haunted pirate ship, a treasure island, or a spooky dockside, there are plenty of creative ways to bring the pirate life into your Halloween celebration. We'll dive into pirate-themed props, DIY projects, and clever ways to use lighting to enhance the eerie atmosphere. Plus, we'll provide tips on how to use common Halloween elements like skeletons and skulls in a pirate context to give your decorations an extra edge. So grab your pirate hat and let's set sail on this Halloween pirate adventure. First things first, let's talk about creating an epic pirate ship entrance that will transport your guests straight into the heart of the pirate theme. 1. Ship facade. Create a ship-like structure at your entryway using cardboard, wood panels, or even large pieces of fabric. You can add details like sails, a mast, and a pirate flag flying high. The goal is to make your front porch or door look like the deck of a ghostly pirate ship. 2. Anchor and rope. Set the scene by placing a large faux anchor near the entrance and draping heavy ropes around the area. These elements will make it feel like your ship is docked and ready for a spooky adventure. 3. Skeleton crew. No pirate ship is complete without its crew. Add skeletons dressed in pirate hats and eye patches, posed around the entrance as though they're guarding the ship or welcoming guests aboard. 4. Cannonball props. Create DIY cannonballs from painted styrofoam balls and place them around your entryway. These add to the realism and pirate battle vibe. 5. Treasure chest. Place an open treasure chest by the entrance, filled with faux gold coins, jewels, and skulls. You can also add LED lights inside for a glowing treasure effect. 6. Wooden planks. Lay out wooden planks across your front porch as a walk the plank path for visitors to follow, adding a fun and interactive element to the entry. If these Halloween pirate decoration ideas have you ready to create your own swashbuckling space, be sure to give this video a like and share it with your fellow Halloween enthusiasts. Next, let's take your guests on a journey to a deserted pirate cove or treasure island filled with mystery and hidden riches. 1. Sand and palms. Use sandbags or faux sand to create a beach-like atmosphere around your yard or entry. Add fake palm trees or tropical plants to complete the look of a deserted island where pirates once buried their treasure. 2. X marks the spot. Create a large X on the ground or door using tape or fabric, signaling the famous pirate spot where treasure is buried. You can make this a fun scavenger hunt for kids or just a cool decoration. 3. Message in a bottle. Scatter glass bottles around your decor with rolled-up messages inside. These can be old pirate maps or eerie ghostly warnings, adding to the mystery of your pirate cove. 4. Skeleton pirates. Pose skeleton pirates in various positions, such as digging for treasure or lounging in hammocks. This will create a lively, or rather, unlively, atmosphere. 5. Map decor. Create a large, aged pirate map that hangs on a wall or fence, showing a route to the treasure with landmarks like dangerous seas, skull islands, or haunted caves. 6. Tropical lighting. Use torches or tiki lights to illuminate the area, giving it a beachy, tropical glow. This adds warmth and also enhances the mysterious pirate island theme at night. What pirate-themed decorations are you planning for Halloween? Share your ideas or favorite decorations in the comments below. I'd love to hear your creative takes on pirate decor. No pirate-themed Halloween setup would be complete without spooky and haunted pirate props to truly bring the fright. 1. Ghostly pirates. Use sheer fabric or cheesecloth draped over mannequins or skeletons to create ghostly pirate figures. These haunted pirates can stand guard at your door or be placed around your yard for an eerie effect. 2. Cursed treasure. Create a display of cursed treasure with skulls, bones, and eerie glowing lights around it. Add signs that warn of the curse that comes with touching the pirate's loot, giving it a supernatural vibe. 3. Ghost ship lanterns. Hang lanterns around your yard or entryway to mimic the look of a ghost ship drifting through the fog. Use LED candles inside for a flickering, haunted effect. 4. Haunted pirate sounds. Play spooky pirate-themed sound effects like ghostly voices, creaking ship masts, or the sound of waves crashing to enhance the ambience. 5. Skeleton prisoners. Set up a pirate cage with skeletons trapped inside, suggesting they were once prisoners of the cursed ship. You can hang signs like, "Beware of the captain's curse." 6. Fog machine. Use a fog machine to create a rolling mist across your pirate setup, giving the whole area a ghostly, otherworldly feel. Finally, let's talk about some easy DIY pirate decorations you can create at home to add a personal touch to your Halloween setup. 1. DIY pirate flags. Create your own pirate flag using black fabric and white paint to create skull and crossbones designs. You can hang these from trees, your porch, or your pirate ship facade. 2. Skull lanterns. Make skull lanterns using plastic skulls and LED lights. You can carve out the eyes and mouths to let the light shine through, creating a spooky glow. 3. Treasure maps for kids. Create small pirate maps with hidden treasures for kids to follow. Set up clues or signs around your yard leading them to a final treasure chest filled with Halloween candy. 4. DIY pirate costumes. Encourage your guests to get in on the fun by providing DIY pirate costume materials, such as eye patches, fake swords, or hats, to wear when they visit your pirate-themed house. 5. Homemade pirate cannon. Make your own pirate cannon using cardboard tubes, paint, and styrofoam balls as cannonballs. This can be a fun centerpiece for your pirate-themed setup. 6. Driftwood decor. Use pieces of driftwood or faux driftwood to line your entryway or yard. This adds a natural, beach-like feel to your pirate theme, enhancing the overall atmosphere. For more thrilling Halloween decoration ideas, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on our latest spooktacular tips. Looking for more Halloween inspiration? Check out our Halloween decor playlist for a treasure trove of ideas that will help you haunt every corner of your home this season. As we bring this Halloween pirate adventure to a close, it's time to reflect on how far you've come in creating an eerie yet fun atmosphere with pirate-themed decorations. Whether you've crafted an entire ghostly shipwreck in your yard or just added a few touches here and there, the key to Halloween decorating is letting your imagination sail free. Creating a pirate-themed Halloween doesn't have to be complicated. Small details like weathered wood, old maps, and lanterns can transform any space into a forgotten treasure island. Add in some eerie lighting, skeletons with eye patches, and, of course, a treasure chest or two, and you've captured the essence of a pirate's lair. Every element you choose tells a part of the story, whether it's a haunted sea voyage or a secret pirate hideaway. One of the greatest things about pirate decor is its versatility. You can go for a fun, family-friendly setup with playful pirates and colorful flags, or you can lean into the spookier side, featuring ghostly pirates, sunken ships, and dark, misty shores. The layering of textures, from ropes and burlap to sand and skulls, adds depth to your scene, making it as immersive as possible. As Halloween night approaches, imagine the excitement your guests or trick-or-treaters will feel as they enter your pirate world. Loved the pirate decorations you saw today? Check the description below for links to all the featured products, so you can bring these ideas to life in your own Halloween celebration. The flickering lights, the creaking ship, the buried treasure, it all creates an unforgettable experience. It's more than just decorations, it's about creating a story and drawing everyone who visits into that narrative. Now that you've embraced the pirate theme, remember that there's always room to add more, whether it's a dramatic entrance with a pirate's flag, a fog machine to mimic the eerie ocean mist, or a captain's quarters complete with an old, mysterious map. Each new addition adds to the immersive experience and can make your Halloween stand out. As your pirate ship sets sail on the final waves of Halloween night, take pride in the unique atmosphere you've created. Whether your decorations are simple or elaborate, they bring a sense of adventure and excitement to your home. You've successfully turned your space into a place where haunted ships and legendary treasures come alive.